Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is February mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. First card, strength. Pisces, what are the messages for you? Strength, High Priestess and Four of Cups. Seven of Wands and Page of Wands, Six of Swords. Okay. Yeah. Two of Wands, Three of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles, Five of Wands. Sagittarius also got same card. Okay. There is something drama is going between you and your person that is like never-ending story. It's repeating the same cycle again and again. Maybe your person is trying for your attention or you are trying for your person attention. There is something drama is going. So let's see. For some there are a lot of disturbances between both of you, disputes or misunderstandings. So let's see your reading, Pisces, your recent past, strength, High Priestess and Four of Cups. Oh, you achieved your balance. You overcome lot of struggles. Now you stand by your power. Now you are very grounded. You are listening to inner voice. And you're trusting your inner self, intuition and Four of Cups. Definitely there is some missed opportunity for you. Maybe you are missing your person right now. Maybe there is no contact or separation between both of you guys in recent past. That's why you are feeling missed opportunity with your person. So then present, Seven of Wands and Page of Wands, Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries and states. I think your person don't want to give up on you. I think they won't give up on you because Seven of Wands energy. They will try again and again until you will commit to them. Page of Wands, communication. And yeah, I think there is some communication is happening between you and your person. For some it already happened regarding to fix the things, regarding to fix the disputes between both of you, because Six of Swords with Page of Swords. Definitely communication to fix the things and they won't give up on you. Okay. And future, Two of Wands, Three of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. For some you also wanted this person in your life. You also want to work on this relationship. I think in past there is no equal give and take. Maybe one person is giving, another person is taking in this connection. But now you both want, I think there is no collaboration in past, no partnership. Now it is coming. I think you also want this person in your life. You also willing to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacles with Three of Pentacles. You both maybe work in same college or office, whatever. And Two of Wands, you also thinking about them a lot. Again, this could be long distance. So definitely you both want same thing. Your person also want you back and you also want. I think you both are on the same page. What I'm getting here, there is some upgrade in this relationship is coming. You want to take this upgrade. You want to take this relationship to next level, Pisces. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But lot of fire energy is here and earth energy. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Ace of Pentacles. They really want to be with you forever. I think they are always there for you. I think the juggling person could be you, Pisces. So let's see. Then we will get more clarity. Your person current feelings. Two of Swords. Three of Cups, Eight of Swords. Yeah, maybe they are juggling between head over their heart situation. They want reconciliation with you and definitely some communication. They really want to communicate with you, but they are feeling stuck. Maybe they are unable to communicate. Maybe they are unable to make any move right now because they're feeling stuck. Maybe it could be the reason for their family or friends. It could be anything. For some it could be third party situation also. They're feeling stuck, Pisces. They're unable to make any move because they're in some situation like they have to make some decision, because Two of Swords they are unable to make right now, and Three of Cups is here. For some it could be third party involved. They really want to reconcile with you, because Three of Cups, reconciliation and communicate. They really want to communicate. They want to express their feelings to you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Pisces. Your person near future actions towards you. Five of Wands. Yeah, they want success. They want to win you back in this connection. And King of Wands, your person is very powerful, grounded and very attractive also. So still there are some disturbances, some misunderstandings between both of you. There is no clarity what I'm getting here between both of you. You both want same thing, and one person is coming to offer commitment but another person don't. That is some type of juggling, but you both want each other, but there is no clarity what I'm getting here, because that's why there is a lot of drama. But your person really want to manifesting you back, because they are feeling stuck. They are unable to make any more. That's why they're manifesting. Maybe they're making some processes, manifesting. And Six of Wands, they really want to success in this connection. Yeah. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. And a lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, they really want to commit to you, and they are in this pain. Ten of Swords. Still, see, Hierophant under the deck. Definitely they want to commit to you. There is so much pain without you, because you are in no contact situation for some in separation also. Still they want rebirth in this connection. Ten of Swords energy with Ace of Pentacles and Hierophant. Definitely they really want to commit to you, and they want commitment from you also. If they already committed to you, they want commitment from you, Pisces. See, Five of Pentacles, separation, cold shouldering. Maybe you are not treating them well, like you are treating them an option. That's why, yeah. Four of Wands under the deck. You both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. You also want this happiness with your person. But Seven of Pentacles, you also waiting for your person. What I'm getting here, Pisces. You both are on the same page but in different levels. And Nine of Wands, you also thinking about them a lot. If you are guarded up for some, but still you are thinking about them a lot. Maybe you are not available to them right now, but in near future definitely you will ready to work on this relationship, because Three of Pentacles with Eight of Pentacles. Definitely you want to work on this relationship. You both are on the same page. And Empress, one person stand by their power. I think your person also stand by their power, and your person also very grounded. See, this person is stuck right now. Eight of Swords energy, Nine of Pentacles. Maybe you both are working towards your finances and career. Maybe this is affecting your love life right now. Maybe you both could be friends also. Definitely this connection is stuck right now, but in near future there will be some movement. Okay, but it is very slow progressing, because Eight of Pentacles is also very slow. You both are thinking about each other a lot. You both want same thing, and your person is trying to manifesting you back, because they're stuck right now. Yeah, this connection is literally stuck. So let's see your overall energy, Pisces. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Pisces, you want success in this connection. You are wishing. Definitely your wish will come true. Yeah, they have emotions. They're coming back, but it is very slow moving energy. Knight of Cups. And your person is also stand by their power. They are also very attractive. So let's see your person overall energy, Pisces. Queen of Cups. They have strong emotions for you. Right now they're stuck, definitely. Hangman. You both, already told you both are on the same page. You both wishing for the same thing. Yeah, communication, apology, communication, some message is coming. Yeah, reconciliation, Six of Cups. You both could be soulmates. This is unbreakable bond between both of you, because even though you both are stuck on each other, but still thinking about each other. That is the main thing. It is unbreakable bond. This is very strong bond between both of you. You both can't let go each other, what I'm getting here. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Pisces. Prosperity lies ahead. So if you're working towards your goals, if you're working towards your dreams, yeah, definitely there is some prosperity coming in your way. Money, abundance is coming in your way. This is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.